Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pay Delaware Franchise Tax online. Gather your company name, EIN, file number, and formation date, then access the Delaware Division of Corporations online portal. Choose a calculation method, enter authorized shares or assumed par value data, and review the computed tax. Confirm your payment method, submit electronically, and save the confirmation for your records to avoid future discrepancies. Understanding calculation options makes a big difference, so start by comparing two common methods. The authorized shares method multiplies a rate by your total authorized shares, while the assumed par value method uses issued shares and gross assets for a potentially lower result. Plug accurate figures into both calculators on the state site, then choose the method that yields the lower tax. This small step can often save your business money. Follow clear steps on the portal to complete your filing without stress. Start by logging in, select your entity, and choose the filing year. Carefully enter company details and calculation inputs, then preview the tax amount before proceeding. Select an e-payment option, confirm billing details, and submit. After payment, download and store your confirmation and receipt securely for audits or future reference, and set a reminder for next year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.